morning students. So far we have completed two mains of exercise 1.2 of AP. See, the third main is in the following APs find the missing terms in the boxes. Here some terms are missing in the given AP. So those missing terms we have to find. Okay, let us consider first one. 2 missing term and 26. Okay, 2 represent A1, this missing term represent A2, this one is A3. Okay, we know that if the terms are in AP, that should satisfy the condition, that is A2 minus A1 equals to A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2. Okay, A2 minus A1, A2 we do not know. A2 minus A1, that is 2, which is equals to A3, 26. Then minus, that is A2 is 22. Say A2 minus A2, transfer this one. A2 minus A1 equals to A3 minus A2. A2 we have to calculate, that A1 is 2, that is A3 is 26, A2. Then A2 minus A2, that is plus A2, 26 minus 2, that is plus 2. Then 2A2 equals to 26 plus 2, 28. Therefore A2 equals to 28 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 14s are. A2 equals to 14. A2 equals to 14. This is one method. You can solve this one another method by using the ANth formula. See, we know A1, that is A1 equals to 2, A2 we do not know. Then A3 equals to question mark, that is A3 equals to 26. A3 means A plus 3 minus 1 into B, that is equals to 26. Using Anth equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A plus 3 minus 1, 2D equals to 26. A we know, that is 2 plus 2D equals to 26. 2D equals to 26 minus 2, that is 2D equals to 24. Therefore D equals to 24 by 2. 2 ones are 2 14s are. D equals to 14. D equals to 14. Therefore D equals to 24 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 12s are. D equals to 12. Therefore A2 equals to A1 plus D, that is A1 is 2, that is D is 12, that is equals to 14. A2 is the 14. A2 equals to 14. Whichever method you can easily understand, that can you have to refer. So here is the one method, A1 A2 minus, by using the condition, that is A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2. But very useful one is applying the nth formula, nth equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. But in this case, we have to find the common difference. Then the common difference has to be added to the which term is required, that is a2 equals to a1 plus d. So a1 is 2, d is 12, therefore a2 equals to how much? 14. Here also we got directly a2 equals to 14. See once again, please see attentively. See, the next one is that first one is gap, second one is 13, third term is gap, next 3 terms. So let us solve that one. Then 3. Okay, let us take the first one as a1, this one as a2, this one as a3, this one as a4. Consideration, this one a1, a2, a3, a4. a2 equals how much? That is 13. That means a plus n minus 1, 2 minus 1 into 13. b equals to 13. Then a plus 1 into d equals to 13. a plus d equals to 13. That is 1. By referring a plus n minus 1 into d. Then a fourth is given. a fourth equals to 3, fourth term. That is a fourth equals to 3. a fourth means a plus 4 minus 1. a fourth 4 minus 1, that is equals to 3. a plus 3d equals to 3. This one is second equation. First one is given value a2 is 13, so we have referred the formula a equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. After substituting the values, we got a plus d equals to 13 as first equation. Then the a fourth term of an AP is 3. So a plus n minus 1 into d, that is 4 minus 1 equals 3. a plus 3d equals to 3, that is equals to 2. So solving 1 and 2. One and 2. First equation is a plus d equals to 13. a plus 3d equals to 3. Okay, let us subtract. By subtracting, plus a minus a gets cancelled. This one is minus 2d equals to 10. 13 minus 3, 10. Therefore d equals to minus d equals to 10 by 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are. Therefore d equals to minus 5. d equals to minus 5. If d equals to minus 5, let us find which one is the first term. Put d equals to minus 5 in 1. Okay. A plus d equals to 13. A plus d equals to 13. So, a plus minus 5 equals to 13. Therefore, a minus 5 equals to 13. Therefore, a equals to 13 plus 5. Therefore, a equals to 18. The first term will be the 18. Next we need A3. We need A3. So, A3 equals to A2 plus D. A2 is given how much? 13. Plus D is minus 5. So, 13 minus 5. So, A equals to 18, A3 equals to 8. Here we got A1 as 18, then A3 as 8. See once again, here two terms are not given, 13 and 3, second term and fourth term are given. So using that second a nth equals to, we have to find the one of the equation, a plus d we will get. Then second a fourth is 3. So by applying the reference, that is a nth equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, we got a plus 3d. A plus d equals to 13 is the first equation. A plus 3d equals to 3 is the second equation. Solving 1 and 2. Say what we have done. A plus d equals to 13, a plus 3d equals to 3. By subtracting, say minus 2d equals to 10. Therefore minus d equals to 10 by 2. 2 5s, therefore d equals to minus 5. Put d equals to minus 5 in 1. See, a plus d equals to 13 is the one, equation 1. So a plus d is minus 5 equals to 13. A minus 5 equals to 13. A equals to minus 5 if it is been transferred, that is plus 5. So a equals to 18. The first term is 18. Next we need, that is the A3. A3 is nothing but A2 plus D. So A2 we got given, that is 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 is 8. This is all about the second problem. See once again. Okay, I hope you have understood this problem. If you want to write, you can write all the 4 terms by keeping in the box 1, 2, 3, 4. That is A1 is 18. That is A2 is 13. Then A3 is 8. Then A4 is 3. These are the required numbers of AP. Terms are 18, 13, 8, 3. Okay, let us move for the which one? Third one. Third is 5 box gap, then 9 integer 1 by 2. Okay. Box gap 9 integer 1 by 2. Okay, as usual, let us consider A1, A2, A3, A4. Okay. A1 equals to 5, that is A. A1 equals to 5, which is equals to A. Then A4 is given. A4 equals to A plus 4 minus 1 into D. That is referring A equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. A4 can be written A plus 4 minus 1 into D. A4 is 9 integer 1 by 2 equals to A 5 plus 4 minus 1 3 into D. 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 1 19 by 2. Then equals to 5 plus 3D. Then 19 equals to 2 in the bracket 5 plus 3D, cross multiplication of the term. Then 19 equals to 2 5s are 10 plus 2 3s are 6 D. Okay. Nineteen minus 10 equals to 6D. 19 minus 10, that is 9, equals to 6D. Therefore, D equals to 9 by 6. 3 3s are 3 2s are. D equals to 3 by 2. The common difference is D equals to 3 by 2. A2 we need. That is A2 equals to A1 plus D. A1 is 5. 5 plus 3 by 2, which is equals to 2 LCM 1 2s are 2 1s are 5 2s are 10 plus 3, that is 13 by 2. Then we need A3. A3 equals to A2 plus D, which is equals to A2 is 13 by 2 plus D 3 by 2. Okay, LCM is 2. 13 plus 3 equals to 16 by 2. 2 1s are 2 8s are. Therefore, A3 equals to A. We got, therefore A2. Observe the problem. See, two consecutive terms are missing. So as usual, we have to consider as the AP as A1, A2, A3, A4. A1 equals to 5, that is equals to A. A4 is A plus 4 minus 1 into D, that referring the A equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So we got A4 9 integer 1 by 2 equals to 5 plus 3D, that is cross multiply, that is 2 of 5 plus 3D. We got 19 equals to 10 plus 60. 10 plus 60, 10 is being transferred, that is minus 10. 9 equals to 6D, D equals to 9 by 6. 3 2s are 3 3s are, that is D equals to 3 by 2. Okay, now we have to find A. A2 is nothing but the A1 plus D. So A1 plus D, that 5 plus 3 by 2, that is equals to 13 by 2. A3, that is after simplification we got A3 equals to A2. So the terms are 5, 13 by 2, 8, and 9 integer 1 by Okay, fourth one. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms we have to find in this AP. The first term is given and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth term is given. So let us consider as these terms A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. That implies A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. A1 equals to, that is A, which is equals to -4. Then A6 equals to A plus 6 minus 1 into D. A6 is 6 equals to A, that is -4 plus 6 minus 1, 5 into D. 6 minus 4 plus 5D. So 6 plus 4 equals to 5D. 10 equals to 5D. D equals to 10 by 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are. D equals to 2. D equals to 2. Okay, let us find the next terms. That is A2 is nothing but A1 plus D. A1 is -4. -4 plus 2. That is equals to -2. Then A3 equals to A2 plus D. -2 plus 2. That is equals to 0. Then A4 equals to A3 plus D. That is A3 0 plus 2, which is equals to 2. Then A5 equals to A4 plus D. A4 is nothing but 2 plus 2. That is equals to 4. A4th is 2. Then common difference is 2. Therefore, -2, 0, 2, 4 are the terms. Therefore, close. See, and just we have calculated the D. Then after calculating the D, we have to find the terms by using this common formula A2 A1 plus D, A3 A2 plus D, A4 A3 plus D, A5 A4 plus D. Like that, 6 terms we have. So 4 and 6 1. Okay. I will give some homework for you to have the perfectness in such problems. So write down the homework. Find the missing terms. Okay, see, all of you solve this one. See, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. 6 problems I have given you. Without fail, you have to complete the homework. Okay, have a nice day.